Live and on location. You can see behind me they're beginning to assemble for their 30th annual Rolling Thunder, which will unfortunately be the final Rolling Thunder to honor our men and women that served our country, the fallen and the forgotten. It's quite an impressive scene. Thousands of bikes. People from everywhere, every walk of life. We even have our Omega Psi Phi brothers representing. I'm going to try to go over there and get an interview with those guys. So just stay tuned for our continuing footage. And remember, make sure that you're honoring our veterans today, saying thank you, showing our support, not just this day, each and every day. There are many wonderful causes out here that could use an additional $5 a week from you, $5 a month from you. I know that they have the Veterans Cannabis Project out here that is combating the problem of veteran opioid addiction and suicide. So there's so many organizations. I'm sure that you can find them on the web. Contact us at Lifestyles with Steph Sells DMV if you need us to recommend not just organizations that you support, but if you're a veteran and you're looking for a home, one of the major things that they are combating is homelessness amongst veterans. Contact us, connect with us. We can help you. We've got lenders who are actual veterans that can help you. It is our passion. It is our heart. So thanks for hanging out with us today. Lifestyles with Steph Sells the DMV.